Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale, McHenry, Illinois. It's March 8th, 2010. Well, this morning we look like grain markets are going to be higher here out of the gate. Corn anywhere from a half to 2 higher, beans 2 to 4 higher, wheat 1 to 2 higher. Outside markets are also lending support to the grains as the dollar is down about 26 as we speak. Crude up 30 to 40, and the metals markets are higher here today. So that's providing some support from outside interest. As far as fundamental news for the grain market specifically, not a lot. It comes again from China. China's central bank had made some comments that they were not going to separate the value of the yuan versus the dollar very soon. It probably would happen, but gave no timetable when that might happen. So that had put a little bit of pressure on the dollar here this morning. Weather markets around the world, non-event basically. South America continues to be ideal. Looks like a big crop coming out of there. The big event this week is the USDA supply-demand reports that come out on Wednesday morning, the 10th, 7:30 a.m. The focus there, concern about the March report, is that the USDA said they are going to revisit that production number from last year, and that could have an impact on total supply, ending stocks especially. The question also, will they make any adjustments for the test weight of this past crop that we've harvested? That more than likely they won't, because that's a demand issue, and as demand continues to use up last year's crop, it will impact the overall usage, and we'll see that as we go through the marketing year. The other thing that you need to be aware of, we're in a seasonal time here where a lot of time markets make lows, so don't be surprised to see the market firm up a little bit just because of a reason that we have sold off so sharply, and we're looking at this break that we've seen here as an opportunity to position yourself on the long side going into the end of the month. And you got to remember, the big news at the end of the month is the planted acreage for corn and soybeans. So once we get through this report this week, we go into some haggling over how are we going to position ourselves and what kind of crop are we going to have this coming year, and that's going to depend on the planted acreage report that comes out on March 31st. Now, Allendale is doing their annual planted acreage survey. We appreciate any help that you can provide. You can go to our website, log on there, fill out the survey, or you can give us a call. We'd be happy to fill it out here in our office. The more people that we get to participate, the higher and the more accurate results that we get. So, and seasonally and historically, it's been your thoughts and your inputs that have been driving our success as far as projecting what the USDA might say and the amount of acres that are going to be planted to corn and soybeans. So please help us there. Check out our website or just give us a call at 800-262-7538. Over in the livestock complex, a tug-of-war going on there. Beef prices down 50 cents in choice, down 50 cents in select. There was quite a few cattle trade late on Friday in the feedlot areas. However, attitude here this morning is that we haven't cleaned up those inventories completely, and we could be going into this week with a larger show list than normal. That could press beef prices. We are overbought on the charts. We really don't have any additional news to push us through to new highs, so we're waiting, looking for some help here to give us some direction this morning on the beef trade. Pork complex cutout values were down about 20 cents. The Russian pork, U.S. pork situation appears to be solved. That was released late last week already to help push pork prices up to the near the contract highs in the April contract. That we will have to deal with here this morning. If we don't get any follow through and can't break through those double tops on the charts that we've got, we may see sizable and a very quick sell-off in the pork complex. So not a clear picture there. The pork complex itself and the cattle is overbought, so we're fighting with that as well. So the bulls, be careful. We would not be looking to buy this thing on strength here this morning. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call at Allendale at 800-262-7538. We appreciate your help on the crop planted acreage survey. And if you got any questions, give us a shout here at Allendale. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.